Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, question 4. We have 0.25k equals 13. Divide both sides by 0.25 and we get k to equal 52. We have a constant c at 8 and we have a 2 kilograms. So that puts our equation at 2x double prime plus 8x prime plus 52x equals 0. I'm going to factor out the 2. We have 2r squared plus 8r plus 52 equals 0. Factoring out my 2, r squared plus 4r plus 26. I divide the 2 out, so I'm left with r squared plus 4r plus 26 equals 0. I have to use the quadratic formula, so my quadratic formula is -4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 26. And that gives me 104 over 2a, which is just 2. This simplifies to 4 plus or minus the square root of -88 over 2. -88 simplifies to 4 plus or minus 2i square roots of 22 over 2, which simplifies to 2 plus or minus I square roots of 22. So that means my x of t equals c1 e to the -2x cosine t square roots of 22 plus c2 e to the -2. Oh, and this should be a t. Another t. -2t sine t square roots of 22. Now I have initial condition x of 0 equals 0. So sine of 0 gives me 0. So that wipes out the second half of the equation. Cosine is 1. So c1 has to equal 0. I also know that my x prime at 0 equals 0.5. So when I take the derivative, I really don't have to worry about the first part because c1 is 0. So I'll have to worry about the second part here and take the derivative of that. And I'm going to have to use my product rule. So x prime just of the second piece of that is going to equal negative 2 c2 e to the -2t sine, and as soon as I see that sine, I know sine of that's going to wipe out this whole row. So now I'm really focused just on this piece here. So I have C2 e to the negative 2t square roots of 22 times cosine t square roots of 22. So that makes it cosine of 0, which is 1. So I have x prime, which is 0.5, equals e to the negative 2 times 0 is 1. So I have C2 times the square root of 22. So 1/2, divide both sides by the square root of 22 equals C2. Now I plug it into my equation and my answer becomes x of t equals 1/2 square roots of 22. And I should probably rationalize that denominator. E to the negative 2t sine t square roots of 22.